Okay, now let us move on to the next set of examples. So this is the next question that we are having: cos 2x plus 2 sine square of x divided by cos square of x. So now the question is how to solve this type of problem when you are having both cos and sine in the numerator. So either you try to get the numerator value in terms of sine only or cos only. But we already know the value of cos 2x. Cos 2x value, I have already used it in the previous example. Therefore, I'll continue with that example here itself. So what is the formula I have used? I have given you this formula, cos 2 theta, right? Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus of 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square of theta. These are the two formulas I've given you. So here 2x is there. I can use cos theta. So put theta is equals to x. Because we are having sine in the numerator, I'll try to use this sine formula. So I can write 1 minus 2 sine square of x. I will try to use this one. So let's try to rewrite this. So it is integral of what you have. You are having cos 2x plus 2 sine square of x divided by cos square of x into dx. So now I'm replacing cos 2x to be equals to how much? 1 minus 2 sine square of x plus. Now this 2 sine square of x will be as it is. Whole divided by what will be left out? Cos square of x into dx. But we observe this positive and negative will get cancelled. You'll just be left out with only 1 by cos square of x. But we know 1 by cos square of x is what? Secant square of x into dx. And in the previous example, we have seen integration of secant square of x is nothing but tan x plus c. So that's the final answer. Very simple. But only thing is you have to get an idea on converting cos 2x as 1 minus 2 sine square of x.